Hello everyone. Today we'll mainly explain how to use the sculpture generator on Makerworld's page to turn a photo into a 3D model and print it. First, open the Makerworld website and click into Maker Lab. There are many interesting experiments here that allow users without modeling experience to use their imagination and create their own models. Here you can find the model generator. Just click directly into it. We need to prepare a photo, preferably a frontal portrait. I found a photo of Newton, dragged it onto the page, and clicked Confirm. Backend will automatically analyze the image and perform 3D meshing processing. The whole process is completely automatic. We just need to wait. It takes about a few minutes. For users abroad, you can open Bambu Lab's international website in English version, which also has Maker Lab. All steps are the same, just in English. We see the first version of the generated model. It's not ideal. Details aren't well represented, but that's okay. We can try again until satisfied. The second attempt shows much better hair and facial details. Comparing with the first version, the difference is like heaven and earth. When satisfied, we can download it, which costs a small amount of points. These points are initially given by Bambu Lab, and later you can earn more by uploading models or commenting. There's also a model editing function where we can adjust some details. We can make certain areas more concave or convex. For example, the eyes were originally too sunken, so we can use tools like a brush to make the eyeballs protrude more. While not extremely precise, it gets the general idea across. We won't spend too much time editing. The current result is acceptable. There are additional features like adding a base, adjustable in position and size, or glasses, which can make some portraits more interesting. For Newton, the current version is good enough, so I won't add more. Other models can be customized as preferred. We can choose to download STL or 3MF files. Next, I want to test whether we can generate 3D models from non-human images. For example, I tried this dog photo. The system prompts that no human face was detected, so it can't generate the model. The page also shows which photos work best. After downloading, let's preview the model. The details are quite rich. Most importantly, it's essentially free to generate and can be used commercially. Converting 2D images to 3D models would normally require significant time and technical skill, but with AI tools, we get a 3D model in minutes. Next, we open Bambu Studio to slice the model. The imported model is about 13 centimeters tall. We'll make some adjustments. Notice the bottom isn't completely flat. The first layer doesn't fully contact the print bed. So we need to cut off the uneven bottom part to avoid unnecessary supports and improve print quality. We'll cut it at an appropriate position in the slicer and delete the lower part. Now the bottom is perfectly flat. Since this is a test piece, I'll reduce the size to save time and material, about 8 centimeters tall. Because the head has rich details, we'll enable variable layer height, so the software adjusts layer height based on detail density for better surface quality with less visible layer lines. We can still see some roughness on the head. We'll check the actual result later. The whole model uses about 40 gig of material and takes 3 hours to print. After 3 hours, the print completes. As previewed in slicing, the head shows visible layer lines while the bottom is perfectly flat. After removing supports, Newton's portrait has completed its journey from photo to 3D model to physical print. Those interested could further paint it to make it more vivid. Through this simple page function, we combine 3D printing with AI, allowing complete beginners to easily turn photos into 3D models, whether of famous figures or loved ones. The technology lowers the creative threshold, enabling everyone to create unique, personalized works. Such technology gives us the ability to transform ideas and memories into tangible reality,